Hi there, welcome to DeskDirector. Today we will learn how to create your first simple Power Automate flow using the DeskDirector connector. Let's get going. The first step is to open Power Automate and click My Flows. Click the New Flow button and the Instant Cloud Flow option. Select the Manually Trigger a Flow. A manual flow is one that is manually initiated. Now click Create. Add a title for your flow in the title box. I will just call it Demo for this instance. Click the plus button to add a new step. Once you have done this, type DeskDirector into the search box, and then click on the See More button to expand the action options. We are looking for the Find Tickets action option. Select it to move to the next step. At this point, you will need to enter your DeskDirector connection information. Choose a name for your connection and fill in the site host, which is your DeskDirector site URL. To find the API key, open your admin console and find the Advanced tab, and then click on the Developer Corner heading. Click the View button to see the entire key. Copy the key and head back to your Power Automate flow, paste the API key in, and hit the Create button. Check it shows the connection was successful. Let's take a look at the parameters. Click the Show All button. In this area, we can fine-tune and filter our flow returns results. Specify what board the ticket results should come from. Click the board drop-down list and make a selection. I will choose the Managed Services board for this demo. Great. So at this point, our flow has been created, so let's test and run it. First, we need to save it, so click the Save button on the top right-hand side. Once it says your flow is ready to go, hit the Test button. We must select the manual option, as we chose it as a manual flow. Click Test at the bottom of the page, and then Continue, and finally Run Flow. Very straightforward. Nice, the flow ran successfully. Click the Done button. Time to take a look at the results. Notice the green check marks. These indicate that the flow ran successfully. Let's take a look at the return data. Click on the Find Tickets action step. Here you will see the input and output information from the flow run. We want to look at the output data, which is the data produced from executing the flow. Scroll down to the body area of the output data. This shows a total of 70 matching results, but it also tells us that only 50 of these were returned as a result count. This is because the default return count is 50. Let's go ahead and change that limit. Click the Edit button at the top right-hand side of the screen. This will take us to the editing window for the flow. Click the Find Tickets action step and select the Show All button to again bring up all limits and filters. Scroll to the bottom of the parameter options until you can see the Take field. As mentioned before, the default is 50. Go ahead and change that by typing 100 into the box. Save the flow and test it by following the prompts, the same as we previously did. Once the flow has run, click on the Find Tickets step, and again scroll down to the body area of the output results. Now we can see that the total results returned were 70. Well done! You have navigated your way through setting up a simple Power Automate flow using the DeskDirector connector. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Be sure to explore our other DeskDirector tutorials.